swagged out. All my niggas be swagged out, yeah. Hit 'em up real quick, hit 'em up real quick. I be banging, what you gon' be slanging? Hit 'em up and my nuts always hanging. I got these bitches and they be like open but I'm like, hey girl, open up your mouth and just say cause I'm that nigga, I'm the motherfucking man. I got that shit and put that money right up in my hand. And I say that shit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and understand. But I be right here when I tickle, topple, then I stand. Hit 'em up and I drop it down. Hit it up and I bump that sound. Bitches coming up and they know that I'm the man up all around. I'm up in Scotts Bluff, I'm up in my town. I hit it up and I be like, bitches going down. I'm rocking up on my shit going Dana. I'm not smoking on that shit going Santana. My pants sagging, your bitch dragging, cause she's on my dick. Bitch, you wanna have her. You know, I just got my shit. I be in this bitch, I be in this bitch going and I going. You know I'm overflowing, my cup is overflowing. Bitch, you know who the pro is.